Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lily. My name's Lily if you're new here. So today I have filmed this soft glam pinky nude look. I know that there's not really much reason to wear makeup like this at the moment, but maybe if you're looking for some inspo for after lockdown ends, or maybe you're having like a little inside date night and you want to get dressed up and made up, or maybe this can even just serve as a bit of a distraction. So nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. So for this sort of soft glam look, I thought I would test out the Huda Beauty Light Nude Obsessions palette, and I love the packaging of this. I think it's just gorgeous. You've got the transparent sort of perspex around the outside and then this matte croc effect on the lid, and it's all in these pinky tones because of course this is a little nude palette, and I just think it looks really luxe. And inside you've got 9 shades, so you've got 4 shimmers in pinky and brown tones, and then you've got 5 mattes with pink tones, a dark brown and a cream colour. So I think I might actually swatch a few of these so you can see, because I'm not going to use all of these shades in this look. So these are the matte shades and these are the shimmers. Look how beautiful these look. They almost look sort of foiled. These are just beautiful, and I think they've got tiny little bits of glitter in there, but mostly they just look sort of duochrome and foiled. So as you can see, this one is like a purpley colour, this one is a pink but with like reflex of greeny gold, this one is a brown, and this one is like a peachy pink but again with gold reflex in it. I'm so excited to use some of these. I think I actually prefer the look of the shimmers to the mattes, because to be fair, in the matte swatches I did have to go over them a few times to make them look a bit more pigmented, and they were a little bit chalky when I swiped them onto my hand, but we'll see how they work on the eyes. So I've just zoomed you in so you can see what I'm doing, and as you can tell I have already done my base makeup, so I'm just going to go straight into the eyes. So I think I'm going to start with this pinky shade here to just go through my crease and sort of act as like a transition colour. By the way, this brush is a little bit stained but it is clean. So England have gone into its second lockdown now, and how's everyone doing? How are you finding it? I feel like it feels slightly different to the last lockdown. Obviously the last lockdown was in summer, so it was nice to have like the sunny vibes, I guess, sort of keep everyone in a positive sort of spirit. But I know it was still really tough on a lot of people. But obviously this time round it's getting to winter time, it's a lot colder, it's a lot darker. I think a lot of people are going to struggle a lot more with the sort of gloomy like mood. But I don't know, I just feel like this lockdown doesn't feel quite as scary to me as it did the first time round, because I guess last time literally everything was closed, whereas now schools are still open and a lot of businesses are still open. It just feels like there's more sort of activity, and it doesn't really feel like a lockdown as much as it did the first time round. So I don't know, that's just my thoughts, but let me know what you think. This is a really pretty like mauvey pinky shade, and it's blending really nicely. I'm sort of just going to take that quite close up to the brow bone. I'm holding my brush quite far down, helps you not sort of place the product down in one place, it like helps blend it out. Yeah, but let me know how you're doing. I hope everyone's okay and they're staying as positive as they can be. We're halfway through, so hopefully we're going to come out of lockdown soon and we'll be able to see a few people and go back out for, I don't know, small social interactions, and we're going to get through it because we've done it before, so we can do it again. My forehead creases so badly. I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but I just get these like wrinkles that when I raise my eyebrows the foundation just creases. Even when I've set it, it's so annoying. Little Patrick sponge helping me out here. That's such a pretty shade, I think. It comes out sort of more purpley than in the pan, but it's really pretty and it blended really easily, so I'm super happy with that. So I think next I'm going to go into this brown colour and just go right into where my crease is and sort of blend it into the pink, because I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that on the same brush and start sort of digging right into where my crease is. And just blend, blend, blend. And so far I'm not getting any fallout on my face, so that's amazing. I'm sort of just slowly building it up. I'm not going in with a whole load at first because that's going to be super hard to blend. So I want to get that sort of brown intensity. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to do the other eye. To be honest, I think if I had put down an eyeshadow primer first, these colours would have worked even better. But I'm really happy with how they're blending on just a sort of set concealer base. Do you know, I was pretty skeptical actually when I did those matte swatches on my hand because I had built it up quite a lot and I thought, oh, I don't know how good these are going to be, but I'm actually really impressed, and those were super easy to work with, super easy to blend and build up to how I wanted it to look, and yeah, I really liked those shades. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my little half cut crease, and then we're going to play with some shimmers. Okay, so those are my two little half cut creases done, and I haven't set them because I'm thinking that going in with the shimmer onto a sort of tacky base will help them look even more shimmery and vibrant. So I'm going to go in with this pinky peachy shade down the bottom here, and I'm taking a little flat brush. Probably end up going in with my finger, but I'm just going to use this to place it down first of all. I'm just going to switch to my finger actually. And then I'm going to switch to the browny shimmery shade to just blend into the outer corner. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with my tapered brush with that chocolatey brown colour again to just go into the inner corner and really sort of deepen that and blend it into the cut crease. And I'm going to wing that out a little bit. Just going to keep deepening that up. Oh no, I'm just trying to blend out that edge with my finger and it's got the shimmer on it. Ah! Oh, I don't want to do that. Then I'm just going back over with a bit more of that brown shimmer because it's disappeared a little bit. Okay, so that's pretty much the eye all done. I think those shimmers look beautiful. I did just take a bit of the middle cream shade to put onto my brow bone and in the inner corner to brighten them up a little bit. So now I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. Okay, so that's both eyelids pretty much done. I'm just going to finish off the eyeshadow by adding some to my lower lash line. So I'm just going to take that first initial mauvey pinky purpley shade. So I think that colour on the lower lash line has tied it all together quite nicely. And because this is a soft glam look, I'm not going to go in with a liquid liner because I think that would be too harsh and I want to keep it nice and soft looking. So I'm going to take a little angled brush and a dark brown eyeshadow and create a little wing. Okay, so I did end up going in with a black in the end because I started off with the brown and it just wasn't really showing up that well, so I went for a black, but I think it still looks softer than a liquid would. So to finish up this eye look, I'm going to stick some mascara and some false lashes on and I'll be back. Okay, so I know that I said that I was adding lashes, but I added a bit of mascara and I just kind of liked the way that it looked, just quite minimal, I guess. So I just added a bit of mascara on my top lashes, but you can totally add lashes to this and bottom mascara if you want. I just quite liked it as it was. So this is a little close-up of the eye look. Okay, so to finish off this look, I'm just going to add some lipstick. And for that, I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild Megalast matte lipstick in Skinny Dipping. And I just think this colour really goes well with the colours on my eyes. Okay, so there we go. That's my pinky nude soft glam look all finished. Please let me know what you think and what you thought of the Huda Beauty palette as well. Will you be recreating this look after lockdown ends? If you did enjoy the video, please remember to give it a big like down below and click subscribe while you're at it. And also click the little bell to be notified when I next upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!